The female seems a little bit agitated this morning. I think there might be some unexpected visitors on the river. As the summer progresses, there's an increasing number of canoeists and other people using the river, and this can be a bit of an issue for the kingfishers, but by and large they don't tend to worry too much, and they're back at the nest site after a couple of minutes. The female seems to have other things on her mind this morning though. She's back over at the nest bank now, and the male's already there. He's sitting staring up at the bank. And it looks like he's having a go at starting a new nest burrow. And pops around to the female, but she immediately flies into the burrow that the sand martins were checking out a couple of weeks ago. I think his house building plans have been rejected.